Hello class 8th students, welcome to maths class. Today we are starting next chapter number 6, and name of the chapter is simple and compound interest. So first of all, let me explain you simple interest. So first of all, what is interest? Interest is the cost of borrowing money where the borrower pays a fees to the lender for loan. And simple interest is a quick and easy method for calculating that interest of the loan. This simple interest is determined by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal by the number of days. We have one formula for making the calculation simple, and the formula of simple interest is P into R into T upon 100, where P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is time. Here we have one more thing, amount, and amount is the sum of principal and interest earned during the given time. So when we want to calculate amount, we add principal and simple interest. Here we have some more formulas. When principal is unknown, so we will use this. Principal is equal to SI into 100 upon rate into time. When we want to calculate time, the formula is simple interest into 100 upon principal into rate. When we want to calculate rate, the formula is simple interest into 100 upon principal into time. Now let's see one more thing. Calculation of simple interest when time is less than a year. For example, when you have time in months, suppose time is 10 months. So you have to convert it into year by dividing it by 12. So this 10 months are converted into year now. Same for days. When you have time in days, suppose you have 73 days. So how to convert it into year? Dividing it by 365. Now these days are converted into year. Now let's start exercise 6.1. In this question, we have to find out simple interest. We have principal, we have time, we have rate of interest. We will use the formula, we will put the values, and we will calculate our answer. So we have principal 4,500, we have time 2 and 1 upon 2 years. So it is a mixed fraction. We are converting this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 2 years. And rate is 10% per annum. Okay, now we will write the formula of simple interest. What is that? P into R into T upon 100. We are putting the values. 4,500 principal, rate 10%, time 5 upon 2 and upon 100. Okay, now we will calculate this and we will get simple interest 1,125 rupees. Students, see part B, same type of question, principal, time and rate. All the three things are given. Principal is 9,200. Only the different thing is that time is given in months, 11 months. So I told you, for converting these months into year, we have to divide it by 12. 11 upon 12 year. Now, and the rate is 6.5% per annum. Again, we will use the same formula of SI, P into R into T upon 100. We will put the values and we will calculate our answer. Now, question number 2, part A. Principal, rate and time are given, and we have to calculate amount. So, principal is 5,000, rate of interest is 9% per annum, and time is given in days, 219 days. So, we need to convert these days into year by dividing it by 365 days. Okay. Now, we will find simple interest, and the formula is P into R into T upon 100. What is the principal? 5,000. What is the rate? 9. What is the time? 219 upon 65 upon 100. We will calculate this and we will find simple interest. And after calculating, we are getting rupees 270. Now, it is simple interest and we need to calculate amount. So, for amount, what to do? We have to find the sum of principal and simple interest. What is the principal? 5,000 and simple interest 270. So, amount is 5,270. It is the answer. We have one more formula for calculating amount, and what is that? A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R into T upon 100. Students, directly you can put the values in this formula and you can calculate the amount. Let's move towards question number 3. Find the principal. Simple interest is given, time is given, and rate of interest is given. We need to calculate principal. Okay. So, the formula for calculating the principal is SI into 100 upon R into T. Now, we will put the values in this formula and we will simplify it and we will calculate it and we will get our principal, that is 1,420 rupees. Students, see question number 4. In this question, we need to calculate time, and the question is interest earned is rupees 1,181.25 on rupees 15,000 at 6.3% interest per annum. So, student, it is not clear here that what is this 15,000. Interest is always earned on principal. Okay, interest is always earned on principal. So, this 15,000 is your principal. It is not written here, but you need to understand that this 15,000 is principal because interest is always earned on principal only. So, principal is rupees 15,000. Simple interest is rupees 1,181.25 and rate of interest is 6.3% per annum. Now, we need to calculate time. So, the formula is simple interest into 100 upon principal into rate. We will put the values in this formula. After that, we will simplify and calculate this and we will get 5 upon 4 years. This 5 upon 4 either can be written as 1 and 1 upon 4 years, or we can convert it into months by multiplying it by 12. 5 upon 4 into 12. 15 months. So time is 15 months. Now question number 5. In this question we need to calculate the rate of interest and the question is interest earned is rupees 115.50 on rupees 1680 in 10 months. Means we have simple interest, principal and time in this question and we need to calculate rate of interest. So what is the formula for that? R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Time is given in month, so here we are converting it into year. 10 upon 12 year. Now we are putting the values in the formula. Now we will calculate this and we will get our answer. Rate of interest 8.25% per annum. It is answer. Now see part B of this question, last question of this exercise. Rupees 17,500 amounts to rupees 17,563 in 73 days. In this question, it is not clear what is principal, what is amount, what is SI. We need to understand. Students, try to understand the language of this question. 17,500 amounts to rupees 17,563. Means this 17,563 is amount, 17,500 is principal. But for calculating rate of interest in formula, we have SI into 100 upon P into T. So, we don't have SI here. So, we need to find out simple interest first. Then we will use formula of rate of interest. So, for finding simple interest, what to do? We will subtract principal from amount. Means simple interest is rupees 63. Now we have time in days, 73 days. So we need to convert it into year. So 73 upon 365 year. Now we will put all these values in the formula of rate of interest, that is SI into 100 upon P into T. Then we will calculate our rate of interest. Then we will find our answer. Students, here we have completed exercise 6.1. Now exercise 6.2 and the topic of this exercise is compound interest. Compound interest is calculated on the total amount which includes the interest of the previous year. In other words, we can say compound interest is interest on interest. So we will see how to calculate compound interest by solving the questions of exercise. So let's start with question number 1. Students, I am reading the question. Listen the question carefully. Find the compound interest on rupees 7,500 at 4% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. In this question, we are going to calculate compound interest. We have principal rupees 7,500, rate 4% per annum and time 2 years. So for calculating compound interest, first we need to calculate simple interest for 1 year. So here we are using the formula of simple interest. Principal is same 7,500 for first year. Rate is same 4% and because we are calculating it for 1 year, so time is 1 year. So after calculation we will get rupees 300. Now we will calculate amount at the end of the first year. So for finding amount, we add principal and simple interest. Principal is 7,500, interest is 300. So amount after first year 7,800. Now again we have to calculate simple interest for the second year. So for that, principal will be this amount after 1 year. So here we are calculating simple interest for second year. So principal for second year, this amount of rupees 7,800. Again we will use the formula of simple interest, P into R into T upon 100. So principal is 7,800. Rate is 4%. Time is 1 year upon 100. After calculating, we will get rupees 312. So time of 2 years. So here we have 2 simple interest and 312. So we need to find total interest. So we will add these two interest, 300 and 312. So total interest is of rupees 612 and it is the answer. Students, for solving the same question, we have one formula of amount. When we want to calculate compound interest, we have one formula of amount, P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Here n means number of years. We will put the values in this formula and we will calculate amount. After putting the values and calculating, we will get amount of 8,112. Now we need to calculate compound interest. So for that we need to subtract principal from amount. So amount is 8,112 and principal is 7,500. So after subtracting, we will get amount of rupees 6,012 as compound interest. So it is answer. Also you can use this formula for calculating compound interest.